I'm in a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to change your unit measurements from miles to kilometers or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then from your display here, from the main menu, we can go to settings, and then we'll have this arrow button to go over, and then here in others, so select that, and then within here we'll hit units, and then from here, if you want miles or kilometers, hit miles, and now it just switches it to kilometers. And then same with the Celsius if you want Fahrenheit, or vice versa. And then just to back to exit. So it should save that, and then it should eventually update the whole car to match those settings. But I'm in the United States, so I'm going to go back to these units and set this back to miles, and then have this on Fahrenheit. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.